National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Monroe and Northampton. Effective until 2:09 a.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania. Until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Skytop to near Readers to near Rossland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Mount Pocono, Papatcon, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Washington, Blairstown, Bangor, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Highbridge, Stanhope, Then Argyle, Hamburg, Netcon, Wind Gap, Clinton, Belvidere, Harmony, and Oxford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 22. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 296-314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 30. Interstate 318 Sylvania between mile markers 0 and 5. Precautionary slap.